Sonia Claiborne with Style and Society magazine, and welcome to my YouTube channel at Style and Society. So today I am going to show you what is inside my monthly Perdue Farms box. And what Perdue Farms is they are a company that's known for meats, just like chicken and beef. The great part about Perdue that I love is all of their meats are no hormones, no antibiotics, and it's family farm. So in this box, I have everything that you need that's perfect for summer entertaining, perfect for grilling, and all your summer needs. So let's see what's inside. Oh, and if you want your very own Perdue Farms box, make sure that you look in the description box below. I have the link so you can get your very own. So every Perdue Farms box has a sustainable bag. One of these comes in every single box so that you can do your grocery shopping and you can reuse your bag. Use this pack. It saves the bees and it helps boost the carbon footprint. So the first thing that's in this box is a whole young chicken. The great thing about Perdue Farm chicken is there's no antibiotics, no hormones, and it is absolutely delicious. I actually like to cook my chicken in a slow cooker. So next that's in the Perdue Farms box is ground beef from Niman Ranch. What I like to do for summer grilling is I like to stuff my ground beef with cheese or vegetables for the juiciest hamburgers. So next up, also from Niman Ranch, is lamb chops. What's great about this is it's raised by farms in the US. It's great for grilling and can feed the whole family. So my favorite part of the chicken is actually the thigh. So Perdue has these chicken thighs and they're divided into 3 separate packs. So it's perfect. So if you don't want an entire chicken thigh, you can have one for tonight and save the other 2 for later. So next in the box is my absolute favorite for summer. It is from Niman Ranch. This is pork St. Louis ribs. So the great part about this is it's actually more meat on the bones than traditional baby back ribs, and it's perfect for summer barbecues and slow cook grilling. So there you have it. These are a couple of my favorite things for summer grilling from Perdue Farms. Make sure that you look at the subscription box below. I have a link just for you to get your very own. What I love about this box is it takes the guesswork out of summer grilling. You get everything that you need for summer grilling delivered straight to your doorsteps. This year is Perdue Farms' 100th anniversary, and I am going to be doing a lot more content, so make sure that you subscribe and check out my next video.